guys, just take a look at this incredible dress. Wow, I love RIHOAS. This is already not first dress I have. It's called this kind of textile. It's called burnout. Transparent sheer fabric. Burnout, when it's like textile white color over here, you can take a look white, and it's burn house over there. It's like a little bit like burn and white. So I wish you guys that the only one burnout you have in your life, it's dresses like that. No one else burn out, never ever. So that's how it looks. Wow, I really love it so much. It's just incredible. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see how it looks. This is another one. Here also has zip. I love dresses with zip. It saves your time. And more underskirt to see how it looks together, because now it looks like fall down a little bit. Of course, I can order this not white color. I can order this black color if I just try. But we can get this black. So without underskirt, it looks like that. Without underskirt. And together it looks like that. Wow, definitely better. Definitely better. I prefer with underskirt over there. I prefer. Because look, it makes your volume, extra volume.